So I see a lot of people online. Guys, thank you so much. Lots of love to you. Thank you for all the love and support. And you know, my true win is winning so many hearts. And guys, lots of love to you. Thank you. See guys, I'm very new to these Instagram lives. So please bear with me. Who would you want to stay in touch with after Big Boss? Let's see guys, I'm not a very social person, but let's see what future holds. Vivian, you are the real winner. I don't know. Guys, I'll tell you something. This journey was quite a roller coaster ride, and you know, it was never possible without you people. But yeah, I mean, this is our win, and like I said कि यार इतने सारे दिल जीते, आप लोगों का इतना प्यार मिला मेरे लिए, you know, this is my win. We want to see you in OTT series and रजत भाई के बारे में 2 लाइन्स. यार बहुत कूल बंदा है यार, मुझे ही इज़ अ रियली नाइस गाय. और मेरी काफ़ी मेरा काफ़ी ध्यान रखा है. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने 1-2 बार मुझे थोड़ा इंजरीज हो गई थी, कुछ पुल्स वुल्स आ गए थे, तो उसने बेचारे ने बिल्कुल सॉर्ट कर दिया. और यू नो, लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम. नाइस गाय. Feeling so good watching you today. We are so used to you. I know, and guys, you know, special thanks to all you lovely people जो मतलब, you know, live जाके भी बहुत सारे लोग 24 hours भी online रहे हैं. I've heard that. So guys, hats off to you. You guys are real heroes here. And I hope guys that you know you loved my journey. You all liked what I could possibly do. So I did my best, but you guys have done more than the best, guys. Thank you so much once again. I just want to know, how do you like the whole journey? Thank you guys. रजत से let's see guys, अभी वो भी थोड़ा busy है, मैं भी busy हूँ, तो जब भी मौका मिलेगा, but you know, ज़रूर I look forward to meet Rajat.
We already met him in the morning.
Yeah, in the morning we met him, but you know, he wanted to catch up. Let's see. कहीं डिनर विनर प्लान करेंगे अच्छी सी जगह, या फिर कॉफ़ी. एंड यू नो गाइज, I also got to know about the trends that you have done on Twitter. So thank you so much guys once again. You guys are the best here. I've got the best fans, and you guys have been very kind, and I'm glad that you know, you guys, a lot of people, you loved my journey and you gave so much support. Can't wait to see you in new shows. Surely can't wait to go back to work.
Tell them how you feel after coming outside the house. What's your feeling outside the house?
Yeah, actually, you know, to be very honest, it feels weird because people around you, traffic, and you know, phones.
And people around you.
And people around me.
And people around you.
Hi guys.
Here also.
Here also. One more people around me. So you know, it feels a little weird. Although you know, I've been very exhausted and trying to take some rest. So you know, a few days I'm going to take rest and you know, spend time with family. I think you know, my wife is just waiting for me to come out of the BB house, and she can you know, go and fix up interviews and
work and OTT
and OTT and you know, Instagram live.
You can guys tell us also what kind of shows you want to see Vivian next, OTT, or like what kind of roles.
Yeah, I mean, you know, 3 suggestions. What kind of OTT show would you like? What kind of concept would you like to see me on an OTT platform? Yeah, guys, tell me, you know, one thing I always was very curious to know. You guys need to tell me my one-liners
Best.
or best, you know, timed lines that came out of my mouth during the whole season. Like, tell me which ones do you like the most? Sorry guys, I'm very new to this Instagram
So
live.
I'll ask you a question.
Yeah.
What was your favorite activity in the Big Boss house when you needed your space?
My favorite activity?
Yeah.
Goes without saying, going making coffee, sitting by the pool.
And what was the one thing जो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद थी उस घर में करना?
झगड़ा.
उसके बस यही समझ जाओ. ओके सुनो, व्हेन यू चाहना मुझे उन चीज़ों को हैंडल करना आसान नहीं है. अच्छा, दे लाइक्ड व्हेन यू सेड चाहत को दैट मुझे और मेरी चीज़ों को हैंडल करना आसान नहीं है.
तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. हमने इजी कहाँ बोला, लेकिन इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है.
You know, I really
या सेम हुडी फ्रॉम द जर्नी वीटी. हाँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये हुडी. सो ऐसे ही मैंने सोचा आज यही पहन लेता हूँ.
Hema ji is here.
हेमा जी.
Hema ji is here saying hi.
हेलो हेमा जी क्या हाल चाल है? रजत को बताया ना गाइस, मिलूंगा मैं रजत से
विवियन
होपफुली.
सिर्फ हिंदी में बात कीजिए. ये हिंदी की ऑडियंस है विवियन.
मैं
फिर
हिंदी
अपना माइक पहनिए. जो माइक
कभी फिर रह जाता था वो कहीं पे रखा हुआ. जल्दी जल्दी रेडी होके निकलना. अरे माइक अच्छा, जाता हूँ लेके आता हूँ.
क्या इनिशियली, वैसे तो आप यू नॉट अ फोन पर्सन, क्या इनिशियली आपको ऐसा हुआ कि फोन कहाँ गया?
हाँ, I used to in the one day I used to think
she told me कि मैं माइक को
the mic is the
पकड़
phone.
वो माइक को फोन समझने लग जाते हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
What was your favorite best liner?
मेरी फेवरेट बेस्ट लाइन है
And did they say
बिरयानी वाली.
बिरयानी वाली कौन सी?
बिरयानी जितनी
नहीं
ये इंटरव्यू
वो
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वाला इंटरव्यू. अच्छा, बिरयानी हमेशा पुराने चावलों की बनती है.
कहते
there were
सब
many one and the best one, the funny one was when you told Sara कि आंखें बंद कर ले, सपने देखने के लिए आंखें सो जा. सपने देखने के लिए
you don't know, but your few one-liners were bang on point.
bang on. Even I have used that with my friends. सो जा. सपने देखने के लिए आंखें बंद होना जरूरी है.
My favorite moment would be बाल्टी का है.
बाल्टी कहाँ है?
वो तो बहुत प्रायोरिटी बाल्टी थी उस वक्त अपनी.
सुनो, अरे बाल्टी का है.
बाल्टी कहाँ है?
I think Himaji is on the live.
या
हाँ, आई टोल्ड हर हेलो.
Some people want you to add Rajat for on the live. Shall I call him?
Yeah. We want to see in खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
मैंने कहा है गाइस, मैंने कहा है. मुझे रोहित सर भी जब आए थे तो मैंने उस वक्त भी कहा था कि सर आपका वाला एक सीजन मुझे करना है खतरों के खिलाड़ी का. लेट्स सी, यू नेवर नो.
What happened?
They want to see me in खतरों के खिलाड़ी. I said when Rohit sir came, I told him also कि सर मुझे आपका नेक्स्ट सीजन करना है.
हाँ, he always wanted to do it again.
Yeah, खतरों के खिलाड़ी is one show I really look up to. I enjoyed my season a lot. बग्गा जी कहाँ हो? बग्गा जी is also one nice guy, you know.
Good human being.
Very good human being और he's very nice at heart. He's a good guy. और बहुत क्यूट हरकतें भी करते हैं यार बग्गा जी. So guys, you have to tell me which are your most favorite moments of my journey. Sorry guys, I'm new to all of this. Please bear with me.
There is someone saying a serious question.
हाँ.
If Avinash was in top 2, you think he would deserve to be a winner?
Yeah, he played the
Game
game.
plan.
हाँ,
Game wise, I mean.
Game wise, of course, Avinash played really well.
So what is your take on Elvish's statement to the media?
So, you know, about anything, I think every human being has a right to voice out his opinion. And, you know, to each his own.
Are you planning any meetup and greets with fans?
I look forward to. Surprise, surprise. Thank you guys. Guys, you've been the best.
What about Vivhat frenemies? You and Shahat?
I only met her very briefly, like
No,
everybody
in
else
the
on
house.
this. Haan.
You're like they called you Vivhat, na?
Haan.
So this kind of equation. What you have to say about this kind of frenemies, frenemy and friends and enemies kind of equation?
I never gave it like more of a thought. Like it happened. Everything, you know, happened with moment that, you know, there were certain things which I used to never like about Char, and there were certain things which Char didn't like about me.
But at the end, you guys like bonded beautifully, like somehow.
So, you know,
Amjad is Munawar fan club, and he's saying love from Munawar ki janta.
thank you guys. Thank you, Amjad. Lots of love, guys. You guys have been, you know, a very big support, and I can't thank you guys enough.
We want to see you in music videos and OTT contents.
Hopefully, inshallah.
Bhagga ji wants to see me. Hello, Bhagga ji.
Makamaji.
How are we doing? Hope you reached Delhi safely.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for, you know, coming online and being live and spreading so much love. Thank
And
you.
being such a strong pillar of support and love.
This journey was never possible without you guys. So guys, lots of love. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.